Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to learn CBC Class 10th Maths Chapter 6 Triangles. First we are going to see same shapes and different shapes, same sizes and different sizes of shapes. Same shape and same size. Here let us consider unit square 1 centimeter for all the four sides. Another one unit square 1 centimeter for all the four sides. This is same shape and same size because here two squares are there. Two squares having same measure. It is the example for same shape and same size. And one more example. Let us consider equilateral triangle. All the three sides are 3 centimeter. Another triangle. All the three sides are 3 centimeter. This is same shape and same size. Next one, same shape and different size. Now let us consider unit square 1 centimeter for all the four sides and another one square all the four sides here 2 centimeter. Here having same shape but different sizes are there. It is the example for same shape and different size. And one more example, let us consider unit circle. Here radius 1 centimeter. Let us consider another circle. Here radius 3 centimeter. So it is the example for same shape and different sizes. Next example, different shapes and different size. Here let us consider one square and one circle. Area of a square 4 centimeter square. Area of a circle 10 centimeter square. Here having two different shapes and size also here different. It is the example for different shape and different size. Next one, different shape and same size. One triangle and another one square. Here both diagram have area 10 centimeter square. Area of a triangle 10 centimeter square. Area of a square also here 10 centimeter square. Here two different shapes are there but having same size. It is the example for different shape and different size. Next we are going to see similar and concurrent. Here similar and concurrent. Two figures having same shape are called similar. Two figures having same shape and same size are called concurrent. We can write the same here. Two figures having the same shape are called similar, and here two figures having the same shape and same size are called concurrent. Here the given two diagrams having the same shape and same size are called concurrent. Here given two figures having the same shape and corresponding sides are proportional mean the given figures are called similar figure. For example, unit circle, here radius 1 centimeter and here radius 2 centimeter, here radius 3 centimeter. Here all the figures have same shape but different sizes. And one more example, let us consider unit square. Here all the four sides are 1 centimeter and another one square. It is all the four sides are 2 centimeter. Here the given two figures are same shape but different sizes. So it is called similar figure. Next, concurrent figure. Here given circle, here radius 2 centimeter. Another one circle also radius 2 centimeter. This is called concurrent figure. Here all the four sides of a square 2 centimeter. And another figure also, here all the four sides of a square are 2 centimeter. It is the example for concurrent figures. Here all the concurrent figures are similar but converse not true. Therefore, all the concurrent figures are similar but the similar figures need not to be concurrent. Now let's see one example for concurrent. Here let us consider two triangle ABC and PQR. Here AB 2 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter and AC 4 centimeter. Here PQ 2 centimeter, QR 3 centimeter and RP 4 centimeter. Now therefore AB equal to PQ. Anti-clockwise, AB 2 centimeter, PQ 2 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter, QR 3 centimeter, CA 4 centimeter and RP 4 centimeter. Therefore, AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR and CA equal to RP. All the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, the given two triangles are concurrent. So, can be written as triangle ABC concurrent to triangle PQR. Next, similar triangle. Consider two triangle ABC and PQR. AB measured 3 cm, BC 4 cm, AC 5 cm. Here PQ 6 cm, QR 8 cm and RP 10 cm. AB is to PQ equal to 3 cm, PQ 6 cm. So AB by PQ equal to 3 by 6. Do the cancellation here. We will get AB by PQ equal to 1 by 2. And next one, BC divide QR equal to BC value 4 cm and QR 8 cm. Do the cancellation here. We will get BC by QR equal to 1 by 2. Another side, CA divide RP. Here CA 5 cm, RP 10 cm. So do the cancellation here. We will get 1 by 2. Therefore, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to CA by RP. So the given two triangle corresponding sides are proportional. So it is the similar triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Already we are familiar with triangles and many of their properties. Now we are going to see concurrent triangle. First one, SSS concurrence. Here SSS stands for side, side, side. If three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle, the triangles are concurrent. Next one, SAS concurrence. Here SAS stands for side angle side. If two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of another triangle, the triangles are concurrent. Next one, ASA concurrence. Here ASA stands for angle side angle. If two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles and sides of another triangle, the triangles are concurrent. And next one, AAS concurrence. Here AAS stands for angle side. If two angles and the non-included side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles and sides of another triangle, the triangles are concurrent. Next one, RHS concurrence. Here RHS stands for right angle hypotenuse sides. The hypotenuse and one side of one right angle triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other right angle triangle. The triangles are concurrent. Let's see exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. First sub question, all circles are dash. Here option concurrent and similar are given. Already we know that all circles are similar. So first answer similar. Next one, all squares are dash. Here option similar and concurrent given. This one also already we know that all squares are similar. So second one answer similar. Third sub question, all dash triangles are similar. Here two options given, isosceles and equilateral. So already we know that all equilateral triangles are similar because all the three sides of a triangle are equal. So equilateral triangles are similar. Fourth sub question, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Their corresponding angles are dash and their corresponding sides are dash. Here their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. Second sub question, give two different examples of pair of similar figures and non-similar figure. First one similar figure. First example, we can draw 2 unit circle, and second example we can draw 2 unit square. And second sub question, non-similar figure. First example, we can draw one square and one triangle. Second example, one square and one circle. Question number 3. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. One parallelogram, another one square here given. Here all the four sides are 1.5 cm. Here all the four sides are 3 cm. Here all the corresponding sides are proportional, but all the angles are not equal. The given two diagrams are not similar because all the corresponding sides are proportional, angles are unequal. That's all for exercise 6.1. Now this session going to end. If you have any doubt, comment below. Subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you so much for watching.